Previously we discussed Ireland asylum process, and now we are going to discuss how to file an asylum application in Ireland. Welcome to Travel with Sannan bin Mansoor. Disclaimer. This video is only information and research based, and this is also available on the internet. Those who are new on my channel, we are here to provide free consultancy and immigration information. You can also follow me on my social platforms Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and chat with me on my WhatsApp number. Let's get started. How to prepare for your asylum interview and gather supporting documents. The substantive interview with the International Protection Office (IPO) is one of the most critical steps in your asylum application. Below is a guide on how to prepare for the interview and gather strong supporting documents for your case. 1. Preparing for the asylum interview. Understand the key question. During the interview, the IPO officer will ask detailed questions about your identity and background. What is your full name, nationality, and date of birth? Where were you born and raised? Do you have any identity documents, passport, ID card, birth certificate? Your journey to Ireland. How did you travel to Ireland? Did you pass through other countries before arriving in Ireland? If so, why did you not seek asylum in those countries? Reasons for seeking asylum. Why are you afraid to return to your home country? Have you suffered persecution or harm in the past? Who is responsible for the harm? Government, police, groups, individuals? Have you sought protection in your home country before leaving? Supporting evidence. Do you have any documents, photos, or reports proving your claim? Are there witnesses who can confirm your story? Have you received threats, arrests, or mistreatment? B. Be consistent and truthful. Your answers must be consistent with your written international protection questionnaire. If there are discrepancies in your statements, the IPO might doubt your credibility. If you don't remember details, be honest. Do not make up information. C. Seek legal assistance. Contact an immigration lawyer or refugee support organization for help. The Irish Refugee Council and Legal Aid Board can assist with legal representation. D. Practice before the interview. Ask a friend, legal advisor, or support worker to conduct a mock interview. Prepare clear, concise answers to likely questions. Take your time. If you don't understand a question, ask for clarification. 2. Gathering supporting documents. Evidence is crucial to support your claim. Try to collect as many of the following. A. Identity and travel documents: passport, national ID card, birth certificate. Travel tickets, visas, boarding passes. Entry stamp into Ireland if available. B. Proof of persecution or threats: police reports or arrest warrants from your home country. Court judgments, summons, or legal notices. Threatening letters, emails, or messages from government officials, gangs, religious groups, etc. How to draft an asylum application in Ireland. When applying for asylum in Ireland, your application must clearly explain why you cannot return to your home country due to persecution, violence, or serious harm. Below is a structured guide to help you draft a strong asylum application. 1. Structure of your asylum application. A. Personal information: full name, date of birth, nationality. Passport number, if available, current address in Ireland, contact details. B. Reasons for seeking asylum. You must clearly explain why you are seeking asylum. Be specific and truthful. Answer the following. 1. What happened to you? Describe any threats, attacks, imprisonment, or other forms of persecution. 2. Who persecuted you? Was it the government, police, religious groups, armed groups, or individuals? 3. Why were you targeted? Was it because of your race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or social group, e.g., LGBTQ+, women facing abuse, journalists, etc.? 4. Did you seek protection in your country? Explain if you went to the police or authorities and what happened. 5. Why can't you return? Provide reasons why your life or safety is still at risk. C. Supporting evidence. Include any documents that can support your claim, such as police or court reports. News articles about persecution in your country, medical reports if you were injured. Threatening letters, emails, or messages, witness statements from family or friends. Membership proof if you belong to a persecuted group. D. Your journey to Ireland. Explain how and when you arrived in Ireland. If you traveled through other safe countries, explain why you didn't seek asylum there. Attached documents. 1. Copy of my passport. 2. Police report from my home country. 3. Medical report, injuries from persecution. 4. News article about persecution in my country. 5. Witness statement from a friend or family member. I sincerely request your consideration for my asylum application. Please let me know if you need any additional information. 3. What happens after you submit the application? Heavy checkmark interview. You will be called for an interview at the International Protection Office, IPO, to explain your case. Heavy checkmark decision. If your asylum is approved, you will get refugee status. If denied, you can appeal the decision. Heavy checkmark support. You will be placed in direct provision housing and may receive a small financial allowance while waiting. Final thoughts. Applying for asylum in Ireland requires a clear and detailed explanation of why you are at risk in your home country. Your credibility and evidence are key factors in the success of your application. It is highly recommended to seek legal assistance from the Irish Refugee Council or Legal Aid Board to strengthen your case. Hopefully this video will give you information to make any move. What to bring to the interview: your International Protection Questionnaire (IPQ), a copy of your completed form, any supporting documents you have collected. If needed, request an interpreter in advance, a notebook to write down important points during the interview. 4. What happens after the interview? The IPO will review your case and issue a decision. If your application is approved, you will receive refugee status or subsidiary protection. If refused, you can appeal to the International Protection Appeals Tribunal, IPAT. Final tips. Stay calm and confident. The interview is your chance to explain your situation. Speak clearly, avoid unnecessary details, but provide enough evidence to support your case. Good luck for your application. Thank you for watching Travel with Sannan bin Mansoor.